Hi, welcome to everyone. So, previous lecture we have discussed about the motion of an object, distance and displacement, speed and velocity, and acceleration. So, remaining part of that chapter we have learned in today's lecture. Here, chapter name is Laws of Motion, and today's first point is types of acceleration. Types of acceleration. There are mainly three types of acceleration. First is positive acceleration, second is negative acceleration, third is zero acceleration. You know that the definition of acceleration. Acceleration is change in velocity with respect to time. Change in velocity divided by time. Here change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. So first discuss the positive acceleration. What is meant by positive acceleration? The motion, the velocity of an object increases with respect to time is called positive acceleration. Listen carefully. The velocity of an object increases with respect to time is called positive acceleration. उसका मतलब क्या होगा? अगर आपकी velocity increase हो गई तो उस with respect to time उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Positive acceleration. अगर velocity increase हो गई तो change in velocity will be increases. Change in velocity increases, therefore acceleration. Change in velocity increases, therefore acceleration will be also increases. The velocity increases with respect to time is called as positive acceleration. Second one is negative acceleration. Negative acceleration means the velocity of an object decreases with respect to time is called negative acceleration. The velocity of an object decreases with respect to time is called negative acceleration. उसका मतलब फिर क्या होगा? अगर आपकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी से कम हो गई तो यहाँ पे चेंज इन वेलोसिटी क्या आएगी? नेगेटिव आएगी. उसको टाइम ने डिवाइड कर दिया तो वो एक्सेलरेशन भी क्या आएगा? नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन. थर्ड वन इज जीरो एक्सेलरेशन. Zero acceleration means the velocity does not increases or decreases. That means the velocity remains constant with respect to time is called zero acceleration. Here acceleration formula is change in velocity with respect to time. Here this is positive acceleration, this is negative acceleration and zero acceleration. तो zero acceleration क्या आएगा? कांस्टेंट मतलब फाइनल वेलोसिटी भी 20 मीटर पर सेकंड है और इनिशियल वेलोसिटी भी 20 मीटर पर सेकंड है और टाइम कौन सा भी हो, अगर चेंज इन वेलोसिटी जीरो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू डिवाइड बाय टाइम तो एक्सेलरेशन भी क्या आएगा? जीरो. ओके. पॉजिटिव एक्सेलरेशन मींस the velocity of an object increases with respect to time is called positive acceleration. The velocity of an object decreases with respect to time is called negative acceleration. And the velocity of an object remains constant with respect to time is called zero acceleration. Okay, taking some example to simply identify the positive, negative and zero acceleration. Here first positive acceleration. Suppose the velocity of one car is initially 10 meter per second and finally final velocity 20 meter per second and time t is 10. Therefore acceleration is, you know the formula of acceleration, change in velocity with respect to time, p minus u divided by t. Here v is 20 minus u is 10 divided by time 10. Therefore acceleration is 2 meter per second. That is positive acceleration. Okay. Then negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is, so What is the definition of negative acceleration? Negative definition of negative acceleration is the velocity of an object is decreases with respect to time is called negative acceleration. Suppose initial velocity is 20 meter per second and final velocity is 10 meter per second. Here time also 10 second. Therefore, acceleration according to formula of acceleration v minus u divided by t, v is 10 meter per second, v is final velocity and initial velocity is 20 meter per second divided by 10. Here minus 10 divided by 10 is equal to minus 1, that is negative acceleration. Sorry, in previous example 20 minus 10 divided by 10 is 1 meter per second. Sorry, 1 divided by 1. Okay, positive or negative acceleration is done. Then zero acceleration. Zero acceleration. Zero acceleration. What is the definition of zero acceleration? The velocity of an object remains constant with respect to time. Suppose here final velocity is 10 meter per second. Also initial velocity is 10 meter per second with respect to time. Suppose 5. Therefore 10 minus 10 divided by 5. 10 minus 10 is 0 divided by 5, that is 0. Initial velocity also 10 meter per second and final velocity also 10 meter per second. That means velocity remains constant. Therefore acceleration is 0 and it is called zero acceleration. Negative acceleration is also called deceleration. Okay. So acceleration point is over. The next point is distance time graph. Distance time graph. Distance time graph. How to draw graph? One is x-axis, here is y-axis, and here is x-axis. Suppose one car travel a distance in time in this table. Here time, here distance. Okay, time in second and distance in suppose meter. Here time 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 20 second, 25 second. 0, here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Distance time graph. First graph we will discuss about the distance time graph for uniform motion. For uniform motion. Okay, time increases with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That means time increases with 5 seconds and distance also increases with 10 meter. Okay. Here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Here also 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. तो ध्यान से देखो एक बार फिर ग्राफ कैसा प्लॉट किया जाता है. तो y एक्सिस पे हमने लिया टाइम एंड x एक्सिस पे लिया डिस्टेंस. ओके, here when टाइम इज 5 सेकंड, डिस्टेंस इज 10. ओके, हमारे पास अभी स्केल है तो उतना अच्छा नहीं आएगा. हियर टाइम इज 10 सेकंड, 20, then 15, 30, then 20, here 40, then 25, here 50. When you draw the line to the point, you give straight line. ये अभी हमारे पास स्केल है तो उतना सीधा नहीं आया, लेकिन ये अगर यूनिफॉर्मली टाइम और डिस्टेंस कॉन्स्टेंटली इंक्रीज हो रहे तो ये लाइन कैसी जाती, सीधा. तो ये क्या हो गया, यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. सेकंड पॉइंट इज डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ फॉर नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, non-uniform motion. Here also taking another example, here time also constantly increases but distance does not constantly increases. I can draw also graph. Again taking time for y-axis and taking distance on x-axis. Here when time is 5 seconds, distance is 7. Then time is 10 seconds, distance also 10. Then time is 15, distance is also 13. Then time is 20, time is 20, distance is 70. Then time is 25, distance is 22. सॉरी, यहाँ पर स्केल नहीं तो इसकी वजह से थोड़े सा दिक्कत आ रही है. ओके, लिसन. व्हेन टाइम 5, डिस्टेंस इज 7, यहाँ पर आएगा. देन व्हेन टाइम 10, distance is also 10. When time is 15, distance is also 13. When time is 20 seconds, distance is 70. लगभग क्या आएगा. Then time is 25, distance is 27. तो आप ध्यान से देखेंगे तो द यूनिफॉर्म, ये नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. उसका मतलब है स्ट्रेट नहीं जा रहा है, या डिस्टेंस 5 सेकंड से इंक्रीज हो रहा है, लेकिन ये डिस्टेंस 5 से कॉन्स्टेंटली इंक्रीज हो रहा है. लेकिन अगर आप यहाँ देखेंगे तो ये डिस्टेंस डज नॉट इंक्रीजेस कॉन्स्टेंटली. हियर 3, हियर 3, हियर 4, हियर 10, हियर आल्सो 7. मतलब जब आपका टाइम और डिस्टेंस दोनों भी कॉन्स्टेंटली इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे तो आपके आएगा यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. बट द डिस्टेंस इज कॉन्स्टेंटली इंक्रीजेस, सॉरी, टाइम इज कॉन्स्टेंटली इंक्रीजेस बट डिस्टेंस डज नॉट कॉन्स्टेंटली इंक्रीजेस, देयरफॉर ग्राफ इज नॉट स्ट्रेट लाइन. दिस इज कॉल्ड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. अगर आपने अलग पॉइंट ले तो वो ऐसा ऐसा कैसे भी जा सकता था ऐसा. दिस इज कॉल्ड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. सेकंड ग्राफ इज यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी. Uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means constant velocity. When one car travel a constant velocity from 30 meter per second, therefore suppose here is velocity. Listen carefully. One y-axis, here is velocity, here is time. Okay, listen only graph. यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी ग्राफ। यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे वेलोसिटी कॉन्स्टेंटली इंक्रीजेस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, मतलब आपको जब टाइम 5 सेकंड था तभी वेलोसिटी 30 थी, जब 10 था तभी 30 थी, जब 15 था तभी 30 थी, जब 20 सेकंड टाइम था तभी भी वेलोसिटी क्या थी 30। दैट मीन्स वी इंक्रीजेस टाइम with respect to velocity does not increases or decreases, that the velocity remains constant is called uniform velocity, and the graph will be drawn here. Next graph is uniform acceleration. Next graph is यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन। यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन का मतलब क्या होगा? एक्सेलरेशन, व्हाट इज मीन बाय एक्सेलरेशन? चेंज इन वेलोसिटी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम। देन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन का मतलब होगा जैसा जैसा आपका टाइम इंक्रीज हो जाएगा वैसे वैसे आपकी वेलोसिटी भी क्या होगी? इंक्रीज। तो आपका ग्राफ क्या आएगा? कांस्टेंट इज कॉल्ड यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन। सपोज आई ड्रॉ table here again, here time, okay, here velocity, here time also 10 second, 20 second, 30 second, 40 second, 50 second. Velocity also increases, so here 0, first write down here also 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. Here I draw velocity. Suppose here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Here I draw time 10 second, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and also 100. Here when time is 10 second, velocity is 20. Okay. When time is 20 second, when time is 10 second, velocity is 20. Okay. When time is 20 second, velocity is 40. When time is 30 second, velocity is 60. When time is 40 second, velocity is 80. When time is 50 second, velocity is 100 here. This is suppose here not available scale, हमारे पास स्केल है तो सीधा नहीं जाएगी, लेकिन आप यहाँ देखेंगे जैसा जैसा टाइम इंक्रीज हो रहा है कॉन्स्टेंटली बाय 10 सेकंड, velocity is will also constantly increases with 20 meter per second. Velocity also increases with 20 meter per second. तो यहां से जो लाइन जा रही हो सीधा जाएगी. Here velocity also constantly increases, time is also constantly increases. If velocity constantly increases is called as uniform acceleration. So today's part is over. Remaining part of that chapter we can learn in next video lecture. Okay, goodbye.